And while your classmates prepare for interviews in software jobs, some like you will rise and notice that India is building nuclear submarines, stealth warships, and unmanned underwater vehicles right here at home. These aren't just defense projects. They're your ticket to challenging and inspiring jobs of rupees 18 to 50 plus LPA, working on technology that only 5 countries in the world possess. This is naval design architecture, and India needs you. Let me hit you with some facts that'll blow your mind. India has just launched its 4th nuclear ballistic missile submarine, INS Arisudan, in October 2024. We're talking class of INS Arihant, INS Arigat, and INS Aridhaman, all designed, built, and commissioned by India. We're the first country outside the UN Security Council's Permanent 5 to build nuclear submarines. But here's where it gets exciting for you. 1. India is building 54 warships right now across shipyards, one ship commissioning every 40 days by 2026. 2. We're investing 90,000 crore rupees in our nuclear submarine program alone. 3. The cabinet approved 40,000 crore rupees in October 2024 for Project 77, 2 indigenous nuclear attack submarines with 95% Indian content. 4. By 2030, India will have 160 warships. By 2035, over 200 vessels. By 2037, 230 ships and submarines. That's not just metal floating in water, that's thousands of high-paying engineering jobs in naval architecture, marine engineering, submarine design, combat systems, propulsion, and underwater acoustics. And here's the kicker. India is collaborating with France's naval group, Germany's TKMS, and has partnerships with Russia for technology transfer. You'll be working with the best in the world. So what exactly is naval architecture? Think of it as aerospace engineering meets civil engineering meets mechanical engineering, but for the ocean. As a naval architect, you'll design warships, submarines, and offshore platforms, calculate hull strength, stability, and hydrodynamics, integrate combat systems, weapons, sensors, and propulsion, work on stealth technology and acoustic signatures, design unmanned underwater vehicles, plan shipyard operations and construction sequences. It's not just drawing ship. You're solving complex engineering problems involving structural mechanics under extreme pressure, fluid dynamics, and wave theory, advanced materials like titanium alloys and composites, nuclear propulsion systems, autonomous underwater navigation. This is cutting-edge technology that makes software development look very simple. Let's talk about where you'll build your career. India has 3 major defense public sector undertakings and multiple private players. 1. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, MDL, Mumbai, India's premier shipyard. They built all 6 Calvary-class Scorpion submarines and numerous warships. Current projects: Project 75, I-Submarines, 45,000 crore rupees, deal with TKMS Germany. Indigenous AIP system integration, next generation destroyer programs. Hiring 4 naval architects, marine engineers, design engineers, system integration specialists. Entry salary 8 to 12 rupees per annum. Experienced 5 years, 18 to 25 rupees per annum. Senior level 10 plus years, 35 to 50 rupees per annum. 2. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, GRSC, Kolkata. Built over 100 warships. Recently launched Nirakshi autonomous underwater vehicle. Current projects: advanced stealth frigates, P-28 ASW corvettes, survey vessels and patrol craft. Similar salary ranges to MDL. Government job security plus exciting projects. 3. Cochin Shipyard Limited, CSL, Kochi, India's largest shipyard. Built INS Vikrant, India's first indigenous aircraft carrier. Current projects: commercial ships plus defense vessels, submarine rescue vessels, offshore patrol vessels. Recruiting now: 135 positions in 2026, including junior technical assistants, draftsmen, project officers, deputy managers. Entry level 4 to 8 rupees per annum, mid level 15 to 20 rupees per annum, senior 30 to 45 rupees per annum. 4. GOA Shipyard Limited and Hindustan Shipyard. Additional opportunities in patrol vessels and submarine construction. 5. Larsen and Toubro, L&T, private sector giant, building nuclear submarine components at Hazira facility. AIP Systems with DRDO, midget submarines, SOV-400, partnered with Germany's TKMS for Project 75. The salaries are higher in private sector. Entry 10 to 15 LPA rupees. Experienced 20 to 35 rupees per annum. Principal engineers 50 rupees plus per annum. 6. International collaborations. Working in India for Naval Group, France, Submarine Combat Systems, TKMS, Germany, Submarine Design and AIP, Atlas Electronic, Germany, Torpedo Systems. These positions offer international exposure, 15 to 40 rupees per annum depending on experience. Opportunity to work on cutting-edge technology. Now let's talk about the hottest field in naval technology, unmanned underwater vehicles. The global UUV market is projected to hit $8.72 billion by 2030. India is investing heavily in this sector. DRDO projects 1. High Endurance Autonomous Underwater Vehicle, HEAUV, 10 meters long, 300 meter depth capability, 15-day endurance, developed by Naval Science and Tech Lab, Visakhapatnam. 2. XL UUV program, 12 extra large UUV approved, 2,500 crore rupees investment, 100-ton vehicles for submarine warfare. Indian startups crushing it. 1. Plans Technologies, Chennai, just raised 100 crores rupees in December 2024. Building unmanned underwater vehicles. 21 granted patents. 25,000 plus hours of deployments. Clients NTPC, Tata Steel, Hindustan Petroleum. Career opportunities, robotics engineers, control systems, computer vision, marine engineers salary range 6 to 25 rupees per annum. 2. IAROV, underwater drones, underwater surveillance systems, visual inspection of submerged structures. 3. Sagar Defense Engineering, unmanned surface and underwater vehicles, naval defense applications. 4. GRSC's Nirakshi, indigenous AUV for mine detection, launched July 2023. The skills you need: robotics and automation, control systems engineering, computer vision and AI, sensor fusion, underwater acoustics, battery and propulsion systems. Starting salaries in UUV startups 8 to 15 rupees per annum with 3 to 5 years experience, 18 to 30 rupees per annum. Senior positions 35 to 50 plus rupees per annum. Want to wear that white uniform and serve the nation while designing warships? Here's your path. 10 plus 2 BTech Cadet Entry Scheme, most popular route. Eligibility: pass 12th with 70% in physics, chemistry, mathematics, 50% in English. Age 17 to 21 years, born between July 2006 to January 2009 for 2026 batch. Must appear in GE main. Process: 1. Apply online at joinindiannavy.gov.in, June to July window. 2. Shortlisting based on GE main rank. 3. Services Selection Board SSB interview 5 days. 4. Medical examination. 5. Selection based on merit. What you get: free 4-year BTech at Indian Naval Academy, Ejimala. Specialization in mechanical engineering, naval architecture included. Electronics and communication, applied electronics, degree from Jawaharlal Nehru University, stipend during training, commissioned as sub-lieutenant after graduation. Starting salary 56,100 to 1,77,500 rupees per month. Level 10, 7th pay commission. Plus housing, medical, pension, 1 crore rupees insurance. University Entry Scheme UES. If you're already doing BTech, apply in final year. Must have 60% aggregate. SSB interview plus medical. Join as technical officer. Post-graduation route after BTech Naval Architecture. Join as specialist officer. Direct entry at higher level. Work at Directorate of Naval Design, Mumbai. Design warships for the Indian Navy. Benefits beyond salary. Serve the nation. Work on classified projects. International training opportunities. Adventure sports. Sailing. Diving. Prestige and respect. Job security for life. Let's talk education and skills. Where should you study naval architecture? Top colleges in India. 1. IIT Madras, the gold standard, BTech Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering. 5-year integrated BTech plus MTech program. Entry JEE Advanced. Replacement 15 to 30 rupees per annum average. 2. IIT Kharagpur, BTech Ocean Engineering and Naval Architecture. MTech programs available. Entry JEE Advanced. Cutoff rank 1167 to 10,074. Top-notch labs and research facilities. 3. IIT Delhi, Naval Architecture courses, strong industry connections. 4. Cochin University of Science and Technology, CUSAT. More accessible than IITs, good placement record. Lower fees. 5. Jadavpur University, Kolkata. Excellent state government college, strong alumni network. 6. Andhra University, Visakhapatnam. Close to major shipyards, good placement opportunities. 7. Academy of Maritime Education and Training. Admission requirements for BTech 75% in class 12, PCM for IIT JEE Main, followed by JEE Advanced. Some colleges accept state entrance exams, APEAM.CET, TNEA. For MARTech, BTech in Naval Architecture /Marine/Mechanical/Civil Engineering. GATE exam 60% in graduation. Alternative paths. 1. Mechanical engineering plus specialization. Do BTech Mechanical. MTech in Naval Architecture. Many shipyards hire mechanical engineers. 2. Diploma to degree. 3-year diploma in Naval Architecture. Lateral entry to BTech. Essential skills to develop. Technical, CAD software, AutoCAD, CATIA, SolidWorks, CFD tools, ANSYS Fluent, Star CCM+, ship design software, MaxSurf, Napa, ship constructor. Programming, Python, MATLAB, FEA software. Soft skills, project management, team collaboration, technical communication, problem solving. Certifications that boost career, classification society courses, Indian Register of Shipping, defense project management, advanced ship design, submarine systems, composite materials. Let's talk money. Here's the complete salary breakdown. Entry level 0 to 3 years experience. Fresh graduate, government PSU 7 to 12 LPA rupees. Private sector 8 to 15 lakh rupees per annum. Startups 6 to 12 lakh rupees per annum. Indian Navy 6.7 to 8 lakh rupees per annum plus benefits worth 3 to 4 lakh rupees per annum. Mid-level 4 to 9 years experience. Senior engineer PSU 15 to 25 lakh rupees per annum. Private sector 20 to 35 lakh rupees per annum. MNCS 25 to 40 lakh rupees per annum. Startups senior 18 to 30 lakh rupees per annum. Senior level 10 to 20 years experience. Principal engineer/manager PSU 30 to 45 lakh rupees per annum. Private sector 40 to 60 plus LPA rupees. MNC 50 to 80 LPA rupees. Chief Design Engineer 60 plus LPA rupees. Top positions: Chief Naval Architect, Project Director 80 LPA rupees to 1.2 crore rupees per annum in private sector. Major locations in India: 1. Mumbai, Mazagon Dock, L&T offices. Highest number of opportunities. Premium salaries. 2. Visakhapatnam, Shipbuilding Center, GRSE facility, DRDO labs, Nuclear Submarine Construction Hub, growing defense cluster. 3. Kochi, Cochin Shipyard, commercial plus defense projects, good quality of life. 4. Kolkata, Garden Reach Shipbuilders, established shipyard city. 5. Chennai, startups like Planis Technologies, UUV and Robotics Hub, tech ecosystem. 6. Goa, Goa Shipyard Limited. 7. Surat/Hazira, L&T Heavy Engineering Complex, submarine component manufacturing. Let me leave you with this. 10 years ago, India was importing submarines. Today, we are building nuclear submarines that only 5 countries in the world can make. 10 years ago, Indian shipyards were struggling. Today, we are commissioning a warship every 40 days. 10 years from now, India will be a naval superpower with 230 plus vessels, exporting submarines to friendly nations and leading in underwater autonomous technology. The question is, will you be part of this revolution? Here's what you need to do right now. If you're in 12th, score well in GE. Target IIT Madras/Kharagpur Naval Architecture. Alternatively, mechanical engineering plus MTech specialization. If you're in engineering, target GATE for MTech or PSU jobs. Start applying to shipyard internships. Learn CAD and ship design software. Consider Indian Navy 10+2 BTech entry if eligible. If you are graduated, apply to MDL, GRSE, CSL recruitment drives. Consider MTech for better positions. Look at L&T defense startups. Explore Indian Navy technical entry. This field offers job satisfaction, building real products, national service, contributing to defense, great salaries, 18 to 50 plus lakhs rupees depending on experience, job security, government or stable private companies, cutting edge technology, working on what matters. Compare this to a generic software job. You're a cog in a huge machine. You're easily replaceable. You'll never see the final product. In naval architecture, you design the submarine. Your calculations keep sailors safe. Your work floats in the Indian Ocean, defending our coastline. That's the difference. Action steps. 1. Like this video if you found it valuable. 2. Subscribe to Bharat Careers 2047 for more alternative career paths. 3. Share with engineering friends who are stuck in the software race. 4. Comment below which shipyard excites you most. 5. Download our free Naval Architecture Career Guide, link in description. Remember, India has 7,500 kilometers of coastline. We have territorial waters that need protecting. We have a blue economy that's growing at 8% annually. We have $5 billion submarine programs waiting for engineers. The opportunity is here. The time is now. Stop following the herd into software development. Build submarines instead. Design warships. Create autonomous underwater vehicles. Make a real difference. This is Bharat Careers 2047, showing you the path to high-paying careers that matter. Jai Hind. Hope you liked this episode of Bharat Careers 2047. Do comment, like, share and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more exciting episodes ahead.